Hello and welcome to Education 101. This is Dr. Bleeker. You can call me Dr. B. This video is just to give you a very quick introduction to the navigation in Canvas for readings and other support materials for the course. The main focus of the course is to work with children in the classroom, but the second very important part is to reflect on what you learned each week in the classroom, and there are some readings to provide discussion material for the seminars. The reading is included in each week. There's a reading directions. I'll just look over those quickly. Then the reading notes organizer. I'd advise you to print out 5 or 6 copies of this. Use it for each week's reading. As you read the article, you can make note of a few points here on the organizer. You'll hand that in each week, and the reading itself will be here, week 1 reading, etc. each week. There's a Get to Know Your Buddy activity which we'll do in class, Service Learning in Ocean View, that you can read at your own leisure, explains a little bit about it. There are some surveys for you to take before you come to the first class meeting, and then each week is set up pretty much the same. The first week we will not be in the classroom. We'll be just meeting in seminar as posted in the email directions. Come prepared. The second week will be our first week in the classrooms. There'll be a reading for that week, and sometimes in a week there'll be something called an awareness sheet. If you look at this one for the second week, it's a sheet that has a few things on it. You can save it, print it out, and then bring the printout with you. For the most part, this is not a sheet that you'll fill out when you're working in the classroom. It's simply a sheet that you'll use in the seminar. So it's not something you're going to fill out while you're working with the children, but you should look at it and keep in the back of your mind some of the things that the sheet's going to be covering, and then we'll discuss those in seminar. I think that's about all I need to point out here. There is a syllabus here which you can have a quick look at. I will be printing out the schedule, so you don't really need to print the syllabus. I'll be giving you that at the first seminar. If you have any questions, email me, and I look forward to meeting you and greeting you at the first class meeting at the school.